Very beautiful good morning to class 10 biology students. Now I'm going to start the next topic, how do our body cells get oxygen and food. It means how the need of our cells get completed. So we have already discussed this diagram, that is the diagram of blood capillary, which is directly contacted to our cells and help to give the important material to the cells and take the waste material and to remove it from our body. We have already discussed that our artery or vein are not in contact of our cells. Actually the blood capillary is directly contacted to our cells. So the oxygen present in blood and the food which is also dissolved in blood transfer into the capillary, and all these important material is given to the cell by the process of diffusion. ये जो important material है वो cell को दे जाते हैं. In return all the waste material, whatever be the waste material like carbon dioxide or other waste material, are again given to the capillary by the process of diffusion, and this CO2 mixes with the impure blood, or we can say this CO2 mixes with blood and make it impure and transfer into the vein. So basically the fluid which diffuses from the capillary, it seems like the plasma which carry all these important material to the cell. During this process some plasma remains, some fluid remains in between the cell and the capillary. This is known as tissue fluid. This is known as tissue fluid, and you can also use the word extracellular fluid, or you can also use the word it is the lymph. It means जब लिक्विड ये जो टिश्यू फ्लूइड है लेकर जाता है सारे इंपॉर्टेंट मटेरियल को और वापस वेस्ट को लेकर आता है, तो उसमें से कुछ लिक्विड मिडिल में ही सेल और कैपिलरी के मिडिल में ही रह जाता है, एंड बिकॉज इट इज प्रेजेंट आउटसाइड द सेल दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एक्स्ट्रा सेल्यूलर फ्लूइड, एंड because it is transferred, it takes all the waste material and different things from the tissue. That's why it is also known as tissue fluid. And biologically it means a perfect term which is given to it, this is the lymph. So now we are going to discuss our next topic, that is lymphatic system. Actually our lymphatic system is present on the dorsal side of our body. हमारे डॉर्सल साइड में सिचुएटेड होता है, बॉडी के बैक साइड में सिचुएटेड होता है, एंड कनेक्टेड टू आवर ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम to give it some waste material and to remove the waste material from our blood and from our fluid. So basically our lymphatic system has four things. हमारे हम ये कह सकते हैं our lymphatic system is made up of four components. First is the lymph, second is the lymph capillaries, third is the lymph vessels, and last are the lymph nodes. These are the four components of our lymphatic system, and basically we have already discussed about the lymph, but I will tell you what are the functions of the lymph. So firstly I am going to discuss what are the lymph capillaries. Like our body have blood capillaries, our body also have these lymph capillaries which are spread all over the dorsal side of our body, and the function of these lymph capillaries to collect the large protein particles, some amount of fat, some germs or microbes which are present in our body, and some dead cells. Because this is called the tissue fluid, so it collects all these materials which remain in the tissue and help to transfer them again into our blood circulatory system, and help to kill or help to remove the waste material from this from our system. So basically lymph capillaries seems like the blood capillaries, but actually they are not similar to each other. As you can see in the diagram that blood capillaries is open from both sides, but lymph capillaries are not open. जो lymph capillary है वो open नहीं होती हैं. And the another thing is that the pores which help to diffuse the material from the blood capillaries are very small. but the pores present in the lymph capillaries are bigger than these pores, so these pores help to take these large proteins, fat and different these materials from the tissue. And another thing is that about the lymphatic system, that lymphatic system works only in one direction. As we have already discussed that our circulatory system act in both direction. It means from lung to the heart and from lung to the body cells. But it only collects the material from the tissue and transfer it into the blood circulatory system. So it is a one way system. ये एक one way system है, जबकि हमारा जो blood circulatory system है वो एक two way system है. So there are some differences between the lymphatic and blood circulatory system. So the first component is lymph capillaries, which collect the large proteins, fat particles, germs, microbes and dead cells from our tissue, and all these lymph capillaries collect these materials and give these all material to the large vessels which are known as lymph vessels. Actually all these lymph capillaries collect together and make a big structure that is known as lymph vessels. Now in between these lymph vessels, in lymph vessels के बीच में इस तरह की vessels होती हैं, इनके बीच में some node like structures are present, कुछ गांठें जैसी structure होती हैं. These node like structures are called lymph nodes. इन जो node like structure है इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, lymph nodes. These lymph nodes contain a special type of WBCs which are known as lymphocytes. इसमें स्पेशल टाइप की WBCs होती है जिनको कहते हैं lymphocytes. As you know that WBCs are known as the soldiers of our body. It means they can fight against the microbes which are present in our body. It means they are doing very important work. They help to remove these germs or microbes from our lymph and help to remove all these dead cells. जर्म्स और माइक्रोब्स को भी रिमूव करने में हेल्प करती हैं और डेड सेल्स को भी रिमूव करने में हेल्प करती हैं. इट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट इट एक्ट लाइक अ क्लेंजिंग एजेंट इन आवर लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम. एक क्लेंजिंग एजेंट का काम कर रही है, हमारे लिम्फ को क्लियर बना रही हैं. इट मीन्स आफ्टर ऑल दिस प्रोसेस, इतना सब करने के बाद हमारा लिम्फ क्या हो जाएगा, प्योरीफाई हो जाएगा. उसमें केवल क्या बचेगा, लार्ज प्रोटीन और फैट पार्टिकल्स. सो दीज लिम्फ वेसल्स गिव दिस clarified lymph which only contains the large protein particles and some fat particles to the vein. जो बचा हुआ जितना भी मटेरियल है वो किसको दे देता है, हमारे वीन को दे देता है, और वीन उसको फिर से सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में डाल देती है और जो इम्पोर्टेंट मटेरियल है उसको बॉडी ले लेती है, वेस्ट को हमारी बॉडी से रिमूव कर दिया जाता है. इट मीन्स अगर हम बात करें तो यहाँ पर 3 इम्पॉर्टेंट काम हो गए हमारे लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम के. सबसे पहला काम, जो हमारे रिमेनिंग लार्ज प्रोटीन्स बचे हैं हमारे टिश्यू में, उनको कैप्चर करना, लार्ज प्रोटीन और फैट पार्टिकल जो कि इम्पॉर्टेंट हमारी बॉडी के लिए. सेकंड, टू किल जर्म्स एंड माइक्रोब्स, जो जर्म्स हैं या माइक्रोब्स हैं उनको किल करना. एंड टू रिमूव द डेड सेल्स को हमारी बॉडी से रिमूव करना. So these all are the functions of our lymphatic system. So now this is enough for today. Now next time we are going to discuss the transport in plants. Before it there is no up to 10th standard there is no need to prepare the lymphatic system, but you can learn the names of all components of the lymphatic system and what are their functions. So it is also important for you like the blood circulatory system, but basically learn the function of each and every part of our lymphatic system. Basically it acts like a cleansing agent. It helps our circulatory system to remove the waste particle and to get again the important particles which may be transferred which may be removed from our body. So till then, goodbye, have a beautiful day.